Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could download and set up Windows into an USB flash drive. We are talking about Windows 11, the latest version. To begin, let's open our browser. So, after opening our browser, we are going to type download Windows 11. Next, make sure that you are clicking on the website where there is the logo of Microsoft Windows, and mostly it will show download Windows 11. We're just going to click on it, and we will download the little tool which will allow us to do what we want to. Here it says Windows 11 installation. They want to download it, but for me, I usually go directly to create Windows 11 installation media, and we click download now. Once the download is done, click on it to open and wait until Windows shows you the message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. If you get any error, you want to go back again and double click twice on the little tool. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can always click yes. Make sure that you are connected to the internet through the whole process. This operation of getting things ready will take up to maximum 1 minute, and then we'll be prompted to choose the next option. Here it gives us applicable notices and license terms. I invite you to read through if you want. Otherwise, I will just click accept. And again, this operation will take just a few seconds, and then we'll be prompted to choose the language of our Windows 11. At this stage, Windows detected automatically the language of my computer. Here I'm using English, so it gave me the English version, edition Windows 11. And here, if you want to change the language, just untick use the recommended options for this PC. And here you can change to whatever language you want. And as a next step, click next. Here you will have two options. You can either download ISO file. You will need to burn the ISO file to a DVD later, or to a USB flash drive, or even an SD card. Or you can use this first option, which allows you to automatically download and set up Windows 11 into a USB flash drive or to an SD card. So guys, at this stage, we will select by default USB flash drive for now, and make sure that your device is at least 8 giga or has at least 8 giga of space, and make sure that your device is empty. There should be no data there, because this little tool will perform first a format to clean up everything in that device, and only after that it will start downloading and setting up Windows 11 in it. Next, we'll click just next. Then we will locate our device and we will click next, and the process will start. This operation usually takes between 5 to 6-7 minutes, and then we should be prompted to the finish button, and we will see the final result, how it looks like. So now the process is done, you can go ahead and click finish, and now we're going to check the final result, and we will start by proceeding as following. So just click on your PC shortcut or open this PC shortcut and locate your USB flash drive, double click on it, and here, as you can see, we have our Windows 11 installed and ready to be used. And this way you have also created what is called a bootable USB, which you can use for installing or formatting a computer with it. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.